In today's video, we're addressing a common problem: being unable to log into Okta with a temporary Active Directory (AD) password. This issue often arises when delegated authentication is enabled. The key problem is that the AD password is set to expire at the next login, and Okta's settings might be preventing users from changing their password. But no worries, there's a simple solution. Let's go through the steps to resolve this. Start by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to Security and select Authenticators. In the Password section, click on Actions, then choose Edit. Here, select the Active Directory policy. In the Rules section, either click the pencil icon next to an existing rule or select Add Rule if you only see the default rule. Under Edit Rule, ensure that options for Password Change, Password Reset, and Unlock Account are enabled in the Then Users Can Perform Self-Service section. Also, confirm that a recovery method is set. Hit Update Rule and make sure the rule's status is active. Verify that the password settings in Okta's Active Directory password policy align with those in your Active Directory. Finally, check that the Okta service account has the necessary permissions to change passwords in Active Directory. If you adjust any permissions, remember to restart the Okta AD agent service afterward. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.